guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tamara's Hair Care channel. My name is Tamara Henderson if you are new here, and this is Tamara Hair Care. We are on the journey for longer, thicker and healthier relaxed hair. Okay, so if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, so we can go on this journey together. Today's video, we are doing a length check. My very first YouTube video was a length check video, and I have expressed to you guys that I had a lot of dead ends on my hair at that time, which I did a chop. If you guys been following my channel, you guys have known that I've done a big chop myself at home, getting rid of what I thought was dead ends, and then I relaxed my hair after 9 months stretch, and I got a professional trim. So that's two different cuts. So today we are going to find out what's my new length currently right now, so we can, in a few months from now, we can do another length check to see how best my hair is progressing. Okay, so I have a ruler. The last time I had some 21 inches. I can't really remember like fully. Like I think there was like the front of my hair, like here, what was like 21 inches, and then I had some 18 inches and stuff like that, but it was in the 22. So today we're gonna find out how long my hair is and see in a few months from now another length check to see how best we are caring for our hair. And I feel like you guys should as well. You guys should do a length check as well, and in a few months when you get your relaxer, you do another length check to see if your hair is actually growing. Okay. So this year I'm gonna scrap that old length check because I told you guys we did a bunch of chopping, so we're gonna scratch that and start over with the growth. All right, so let's go ahead and check the length. This is my hair. You guys know my hair, and as I have a blunt already, I have like a nice little trim. So let me show you guys my hair. This is it. It's currently freshly relaxed, and I perm my hair like maybe a month now. So yeah, like maybe a month now. So, and then I have like freshly washed. This is what it looks like in ponytail, if we're doing like a ponytail. Okay, side view. But I think like the lighting is not so nice on that side. Okay, so side view for ponytail. And there. Okay. So, and then, oh, did I show you guys the back? Okay, wait. So this is the back. Okay, so I went and got a brush so I can actually show you guys really good. You guys can see. This is ponytail, side view for ponytail, back, and then this is the length of my hair. Okay, and this is at like, this is at like bra length. So this is like bra length. Okay. So let's start the length check. So first, we're gonna section the front right here to see like what's the length. I have this ruler. This is 20. This is a 16-inch ruler. If you guys can see that, 16 inches. So we're going to do the first stop right here. And we're gonna measure it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this stops. Oh, wow. The front is 16, like a little over 16, but I would just say 16 inches. Wow. Right here is already 16. So let's go to the side right here. Wow. It's longer than I thought. And the front, I think, is the shortest part. So let's go here. Put it underneath here. And this part is look like a little less. This is more like, wait. I think I did it wrong. This is more like 15 inches. So the front here is longer than the side here. All right, let's do down here, right here, which is the side of my head. And let's just comb it out. Let's do the side right here. My hair feels so soft. And this is okay. This looks like 15 too. It's not 16 yet. Yeah, this is like 15 as well. So the side is like, wait. No, it's actually like 16 too. It's almost at the end. Yeah, it's like 16. Okay, so that's 16. Let's go down to the back of my hair now. My hair feels so soft and nice. It's like silky. I love it. It's like really silky. This is what happens when you get your hair freshly washed. And roller set, not flat iron. It's super soft. Okay, let's see. And then we're gonna go at the back. Let's see. This looks like 14 inches. Yes, 14 inches. This is like 14 inches at the back. The very back is, yeah, the very back is 14 inches. Right. Very back, 14 inches. All right. Nothing in the 20 like before. But I'm not sad. It's gonna grow back. And we're gonna grow it back together, okay? So you guys gonna come on the journey with me and we're all gonna grow our hair together. All right, so let's try over this side and see. Okay, let's put it right here. And then, oh wait, I put it at the back. Right. Okay, let's do it right here. This looks like it's like 14 too. Oh my God. My hair doesn't like, it's not that long, but it doesn't look like it's not long. This looks like 14. Because of the health and the thickness, it looks so long. I feel like it's because of the health and the thickness, while I feel like it's like 20 inches. And it's not even 20 inches. This is what? This look like, this one is like 15 and a half. It looks like to me. I don't think it hasn't reached the end. Actually, it does reach the end. Right, it's kind of hard to use the ruler, but we'll get it done. Yeah, it's at the end. So it is like, I want to consider it to be 16. I would say 15 and a half. Yeah, like more like 15 and a half. What do you think? Yeah, so let's do the middle now and see what's cooking up here. In the middle. And then we'll see. Okay. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay, for the middle, I would say 15. See? Like 15. So 15 inches. So most of my hair is 15 inches and some is a little, some is 16. So, but I would say my hair is like 15. So our current length, September. No, by the time I post this video, it would even be September. But the date right now when I'm making this video is September the... I'm making this video on September the 28th of September. So the current length for September the 28th, 2022 is 15 and 16 inches. By the time I post this video, maybe like sometime in October. So we're working on that. So when I relax my hair again, we will do another leg check to see how much growth I accumulate. And also I do get a trim every relaxer, but it's not like a big trim. It's like more to like clean up the ends. So it shouldn't make like a big difference. But yeah, so there we have it. We done the length check for this relaxer stretch, and now we're gonna do another length check next time I get another relaxer, and we will see the progress of our hair. So make sure you guys are doing your length checks as well, okay? Because we want to see everybody improvement, and I want you guys to comment down below on your results and how it has been working out for you, your progress and everything. I want to know about it, okay? I want to know that my videos are helping people. I need to know that. So please comment down below. Let me know what's going on, okay? Thank you guys so much. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and to be a part of our hair care family. I will see you guys in another video. Bye, guys. Oh my god, I'm so goofy, I know. I really love my hair, which you guys already know that. But best, you like one, maybe what, like I feel like when you love your hair feels it, and it helps. It actually, like, I don't know, grow more, give you better results. I don't know. But I feel like your hair can tell if you love it or not. So I feel like it's important for you to love your hair. It doesn't matter the state or condition, love your hair. See you guys in another video. Bye.